SmartHQ Service Parts Finder feature lets you manage your parts account and orders from one place. Searching for parts and placing an order has never been easier. SmartHQ Service Parts Finder feature is designed to simplify the search and ordering of parts, enhancing the user experience. You can search using the model number, part number, or keywords. To purchase parts from the SmartHQ Service app, please delete and then reinstall the application to log in using your CustomerNet credentials. Log into SmartHQ Service as a non-GEA employee to create a cart and select parts. Select username and password and then use your CustomerNet login if you wish to actually purchase parts. You can only place an order for parts if you are logged in using your CustomerNet account. When you use your CustomerNet login to access SmartHQ Service for the first time, enter your 5-digit account number and submit a SmartHQ Service Access Approval request. Your access request will be approved within 24 hours. When you are logged in as a non-GEA employee, you can create a cart, add parts to the cart, and submit the cart for review, after which a CustomerNet account holder can review and purchase the parts. Once you have added all the required parts to your cart, proceed to checkout. Verify the contents of the cart, and if required, you can edit the cart before you submit it for review. Note that the non-GEA employee account will not have the authority to place the order for delivery. Users logged in with CustomerNet credentials can review carts created by non-GEA employee account users and place orders for delivery. Go to Other Carts to view the list of carts pending review or under review within your company. Click Review to assess the contents of a cart submitted for review by someone else in your company. You can place an order for the cart. Alternatively, you can edit, reject, or delete the cart.